to meet Sarka and Chanel. I think they're gonna pick me up. I'm so tired. Just one more contest to go, and then it's a wrap. Because they haven't left Newport yet, so having a coffee, waiting for them. It's all good. I think they're coming now. They called me and said that. Hopefully that's true and not another prank. Here they are. Never late? No, always late, but ever. Ah! They still love me. We're driving to Mammoth. We're going snowboarding. The airport's closed because it's absolutely dumping. Breathe. It's gonna be so fun. Oh my god. We're gonna shoot some photos. It looks like it's sunny, but it actually is raining. Look at that. Crazy. Oh, that's some dark clouds right there. We're going right about there. And they said 4 feet in 2 days.
The mama pajama rolled out of bed and she ran to the police station. When the papa found out, he began to shout and he started the investigation. It's against the law. It was against the law. Oh, what the mama saw. It was against the law.
Alright, here's the situation. I got the flu. Now I'm in Mammoth. It's really snowing outside. So I'm inside. Made myself a really good pizza and trying to get better for the Roxy Chicken Jam that's about to start tomorrow. Well, we'll figure it out.
Snow taken off my car all year. Elmer is buried. I don't know about practice situation. Sarka and I are going to have to practice for college.
Yes. Practicing finding people in the storm.
To no surprise, the contest got postponed, so Sarka and I lapped the only lift that was open.
Alabama, Arkansas, I do love my mom and pa, not the way that I do love you.
Well, holy moly, me oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you.
Man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream it too. There's nothing that, there ain't nothing that I need.
Well, hot and heavy pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ, ain't nothing please me more than you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. Oh, let me go home. Home is wherever I'm with you. La, 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 take me home. Daddy, I'm coming home.
This is our car. Are you freaking kidding me?
So Hide at Mammoth was our second benefit concert for the season. Kellen Malloy performed while Keep Abreast contributed wristbands for us to sell in support of our eco project educating environmental awareness and good food options.
Like you. Boats and boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you.
I made it outside, going to acupuncture.
and hopefully my sniffles and my nasty cold will go away. It's pretty cool to see how much it snowed and since I was inside, or no, since I was outside. Look at that. The contest, I think, got cancelled again today, even though it's bluebird and sunny. I think it's too windy. Hopefully slopestyle will be on one of these next 2 days.
Tooth fairy's lost feeling and has begun stealing, and Bambi's gotten hit by a car. Geppetto's store's not open and Pinocchio is broken, and Cinderella's an anorexic star. Got the VCR and the TV and the DVD and the MP3 all telling us we're in a great time. But in all reality, I think we're living in some fucked up nursery rhyme.